And I show you here, that's the even more detail, of course, of this. This is the effect you normally will have with 3D printing. As you see, this is of course, this is the on the left in that direction. Oh, this, of course, now you see this screwdriver coming into view. So where I'm pointing to, that is the bottom, and here you see it going up. And this is the normal effect, normal of 3D printing, of course. You see all the layer lines putting across, and you see also the seam effect a little bit because of changing of the pressure and changing of direction on some places. And now I go to this 0.8 part with the moisture, and you see here some bubbles. I show you some bubbles. Try to find and try to get them into good view. That is always a problem with cameras. I many times see them better with the eyes, with the light on it. But here you see the moisture effects, you see all these effects coming on. So this blinking red or white now points. Do you see it on the screen? I see it, but I don't know if you see it. Yes, you can see it. All these white blinking points are, and the longer things are just dust particles, of course. This is just dust. Where can I find? Look, I can move them around, but these parts are not movable. And this is clearly where the problem comes from. Use now the reflection of the screwdriver to have you see the white points. These are the moisture points. As you see, they cross the differences between the layer lines, so they're really showing up. But I'm not sure if many people will normally go into this kind of details looking at the prints, because like I said, a lot of it is just skin dust already, but I don't think normal people would just go into such details, but sometimes it can be important. And like you see, some things can be moved, so they're not moisture problems, it is now surface problems. Because I have been moving it around and now you got all this dust extra, but this is again the result of moisture inside of the filament spools. And I know sometimes these details are very important for people. If you're just making something that just needs to be good, looking good, that's not such a problem. And I'm not zoomed in that much yet, but it can be even deeper. And you see how the printer and the profile has worked out, not that bad. This is on the 85X with the, look here, you see something getting really between these lines, and this is a moisture problem. I can see it really well on the screen, but not that well on the camera screen. I don't know how it will show up in the video. Nice little bubbles appearing. And where is the lens focusing? Here's the lens focusing. So here you see these little bubbles appearing in the print. And when you go with your little screwdriver over them, you feel them like it's jumping. So that's not a flat surface at all. Here, this you feel the ley lines, and this direction you feel these bubbles. Here's another one, but that is the other way around. So this is a hole, and this is up. Hole, hole. So one line is 0.6 millimeter or 0.5 millimeters apart. So, oh, I used the wrong focusing option. So you can imagine how big they are in real life. Well, have fun 3D printing. Voor meer video's over 3D printen en de gerelateerde onderwerpen zoals het slijpen, milling, alle CNC en dergelijke, ga naar www.patreon.com/elvinhaak. En hier zijn meer van mijn video's te vinden dan op YouTube, minder beperkingen en vaak ook maanden eerder ter beschikking voor de wat langere series. Ook zijn hier diverse gerelateerde downloads beschikbaar die bij de video's horen. Je kan ook kijken op Facebook, 3D-printer beginners Nederland, Nix Reality wel aan het Octoprint, etc. Dat is een aparte pagina. Mijn homepage is www.elfiets.nl/3dprint, YouTube @el3dprint. En als je deze video's interessant en of leuk vindt, klik je op het duimpje en abonneer je of volg om de hoogte gehouden te worden. Je kan altijd nog vragen stellen via de Facebookpagina of dus aan de onderkant van deze video's. Tot de volgende video. Voor meer video's over 3D-printen en de gerelateerde onderwerpen zoals het slijpen, milling, alle CNC en dergelijke, ga naar www.patreon.com/elvinhaak. En hier zijn meer van mijn video's te vinden dan op YouTube, minder beperkingen en vaak ook maanden eerder ter beschikking voor de wat langere series. Ook zijn hier diverse gerelateerde downloads beschikbaar die bij de video's horen. Je kan ook kijken op Facebook, 3D-printer beginners Nederland, Nix Reality wel aan het Octoprint, etc. Dat is een aparte pagina. Mijn homepage is www.elfiets.nl/3dprint, YouTube @el3dprint. En als je deze video's interessant en of leuk vindt, klik je op het duimpje en abonneer je of volg op de hoogte gehouden worden. Je kan altijd nog vragen stellen via de Facebookpagina of dus aan de onderkant van deze video's. Tot de volgende video.